So there are multiple different ways to start. If you guys have just downloaded the program, I would encourage you guys to look at the examples provided, where you can get some inspiration and things like that as well. There's also our file manager, where we can import projects that have been shared from other stakeholders and friends as well. But in this presentation, I'm going to be creating a new job. Now, when I create a new job, I can create a file, example, webinar 502. And now the project, the program asks me whether I want to import a BIM model. Now, what this basically means is the project is asking whether I want to import a architectural model. Now, that can be useful when we have an architectural model and we want to create the structural model here. But in this, for this example, I'm going to select no. Then once I've selected that I'm not going to be using a architectural model to make my structure, I have different options of how I want to model. And this is one of the great features about Cypecad, is that we accommodate the multiple different ways of modeling your structure. So we've got one option is to import a job from Cype 3D. Now, Cype 3D is our steel structures a solution where we can design steel structures in their own solution, but also there is that interoperability with our concrete structures program as well. As you can see, I'm able to import the program. We can also introduce DXF and DWG files, and the program will intelligently generate different aspects of the building according to the drawing that we introduce. So things such as columns, floors, as you can see here by reading the description, columns, floors, edge beams, and internal openings. So basically the different facades and things as well. We can also introduce a IFC file format here. So if we had, so again, as I mentioned, different files coming from other specialized applications, we can use our plugins or a native IFC file to introduce that into the program as well. And then we also have some other example options where we can, where the program will guide you through the steps of modeling. Now, for this purpose, I'm going to create an empty job. So we're sticking to the basics here. And now I get the general data tab. Now,